Hi, today we do an acupressure session in nature. As we know, nature really supports lowering high blood pressure. Therefore, combination of acupressure and doing it in nature has double benefit. Let's do a set of exercises and we'll start from exercises on our palms. First point is located in the webbing between the two fingers. And so we put our index finger right in the middle and we massage this point for 30 seconds. The next acupressure point is located inside of our palm. There are two lines here, and we put the point is just under this line. So we'll massage it for 30 seconds. The next acupressure point is located under our palm, and the way to find it is to bend our palm backwards. You will see the two crease lines here, and the point is located right between the two lines. And as usual, we massage it for 30 seconds. The next acupressure point is located on our elbow. So we'll make a muscle and we follow a crease line. Find a point cavity which is located approximately halfway between the crease line and the end of the elbow. Put our finger there and massage this point also for 30 seconds. The next acupressure point is located inside our elbow, and the way to find it is also to make a muscle and follow crease line. You will see the bone sticking out, so kind of halfway between the crease line and the bone which sticks out there is a point cavity. We'll put finger there and massage it for 30 seconds. And the next acupressure point is located on our chest. So we take 4 fingers on both hands, put them in our ribs, identify cavities there, and start massaging for 30 seconds. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and have a great day.